Who was Brian Thompson, the UnitedHealthcare CEO shot dead in Manhattan? Brian Thompson, the CEO of UnitedHealthcare, was shot to death Wednesday outside the New York Hilton Midtown in Manhattan, where the company was hosting an investor day. Thompson, 50, was named CEO of UnitedHealthcare, UnitedHealth Group's insurance arm, in April 2021. He first joined UnitedHealth Group in 2004 and had previously served as CEO of the company's government programs, including Medicare and retiree coverage, and community and state programs providing Medicaid and other types of coverage to millions of individuals. In his most recent role as CEO of UnitedHealthcare, he was responsible for leading growth across the company's global, employer, individual, specialty and government benefits businesses, according to a 2021 company statement announcing his appointment. Horizontal Brian Thompson.png. Brian Thompson, 50, the CEO of UnitedHealthcare, was shot to death Wednesday outside the New York Hilton in Midtown Manhattan, where the company was hosting an investor day. UnitedHealth Group. Brian's experience, relationships, and values make him especially well suited to help UnitedHealthcare improve how healthcare works for consumers, physicians, employers, governments and our other partners, leading to continued and sustained long-term growth, UnitedHealth Group CEO Andrew Witty said at the time. Thompson held other positions over his 20 years at the company, including Chief Financial Officer for UnitedHealthcare's employer and individual, community and state and Medicare and retirement businesses. He also served as the Financial Controller for UnitedHealthcare's employer and individual business and was a director in the company's corporate development division. A low-key CEO. For a top executive at a $562 billion company that affects how millions of Americans get health care, Thompson kept a relatively low profile. At an investor meeting last year, he outlined UnitedHealth's shift to value-based care, paying doctors and other caregivers to keep patients healthy, rather than focusing on treating them when they get sick. Healthcare should be easier for people, Thompson said at the time. We are cognizant of the challenges. But navigating a future through value-based care unlocks a situation where the Euro family doesn't have to make the decisions on their own. In 2023, Thompson earned total compensation of $10.2 million, according to a disclosure by UnitedHealth Group. Before joining UnitedHealth Group, Thompson worked as a certified public accountant at accounting firm PwC, according to his biography on networking site LinkedIn. Thompson graduated from the University of Iowa in 1997 with a bachelor's degree in business administration and most recently resided in Maple Grove, Minnesota. Following the shooting, UnitedHealthcare canceled its Wednesday meeting with Wall Street analysts and investors, which Thompson had been scheduled to attend. We are deeply saddened and shocked at the passing of our dear friend and colleague Brian Thompson, the CEO of UnitedHealthcare, UnitedHealth Group said in a statement. Brian was a highly respected colleague and friend to all who worked with him. We are working closely with the New York Police Department and ask for your patience and understanding during this difficult time. Our hearts go out to Brian's family and all who were close to him. On LinkedIn, former colleagues described Thompson as an affable and popular leader. BT was whip-smart and affable, a guy who could grasp the complexities of healthcare and explain them in simple, relatable terms true to his Iowa upbringing, said Matt Burns, who served as Vice President of Communications at UnitedHealth Group from 2015 to 2018. Thompson is survived by his wife, Paulette Thompson, and 2 sons. We are shattered to hear about the senseless killing of our beloved Brian, Thompson's wife said in a statement provided to CBS News by her sister. Brian was an incredibly loving, generous, talented man who truly lived life to the fullest and touched so many lives. Most importantly, Brian was an incredibly loving father to our 2 sons and will be greatly missed. We appreciate your well wishes and request complete privacy as our family moves through this difficult time. Minnesota leaders expressed shock. Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey also weighed in on Thompson's death. This is a shocking and devastating loss for our whole community. "Shocking is the only word I can find at the moment," he said in a statement to CBS Money Watch. He added in a post on social media that Thompson was a great man. Minnesota Senator Amy Klobuchar expressed her condolences for Thompson's family and for UnitedHealthcare employees in the state, calling the shooting a horrifying and shocking act of violence in a post on X.